Hi, I'm Grant King, and we're here in Pearland, Texas today with another great listing for you. We are in the Pearland community of Southwick today. Southwick and Silver Lake are communities that surround the Southwick Golf Course. And these communities were a big part of igniting the growth in the Pearland area. A big part of that is the Pearland ISD schools, which this home is zoned to. This home is located right down the street from the community pool and park. There are actually multiple parks in the area, so it's just a terrific living experience here. Come on in, take a look. This is one of the more affordable homes in this area. And what I think makes it an excellent value is you get a great amount of space and it has very well thought out updates. Look how much space we have here in this central living area. Plenty of space for furniture, you have easy access to the kitchen and the bedroom. If you go out today and you look at brand new homes, these are the windows that you're gonna see. These are vinyl windows, which are more energy efficient. They have these little levers here where you push those and you can tilt the window in and actually clean the window from the inside. You can clean the outside of the window from the inside. It's very exciting. I love this kitchen breakfast area. You have this great nook here for your breakfast table that overlooks the backyard. And then it connects right here to the kitchen. You have these beautiful granite countertops that tie in so well with the custom backsplash. And then this beautiful maple kitchen cabinetry with the raised panel doors, the brushed nickel hardware, and then the drawers that are the soft close. I love the soft close drawers. All the baths have been updated. Look at these beautiful granite countertops here with the china bowl sinks. You have that in all the baths. Well, look at this shower. You have this oversized glass enclosed shower with the seat. This shower head here, I think that's 4 or 5 jets. I can't even tell, there's so many. Talk about luxurious. So the primary bedroom is on the first floor, which is very convenient having that on the bottom floor. In addition to that, there are 3 bedrooms upstairs. Look at the size of this bedroom here. Can you imagine having this whole room to yourself? Homes in this price range usually have a very small backyard. Here we have a lot of space. Whatever you like to do with your time outdoors, you can do it here. And you can really make this space to enjoy your time outside. Isn't this a great home? If you'd like more information or to schedule a showing, call me today.